I think I messed up. I just stumbled upon the world's most elusive predator. This feline phantom is not a species of its own, but a melanistic version of leopards and jaguars. With pitch-black fur and piercing eyes, it's truly a sight to behold. Black panthers are masters of disguise, blending into the night and stalking their prey with unmatched stealth. Curious yet? You should be. Because spotting one in the wild is like finding a needle in a haystack. Want more wild facts? Hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your fellow wildlife enthusiasts. Let's unravel the mysteries of nature together. See you in the next adventure.